In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out of Facebook. So to do so, it is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to go to your profile picture up here to open the menu. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see you are on your menu. From this, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option called log out. And from here, you can simply log out by tapping on this log out option. And if you have more than one account, you might want to choose if you want to use Account Center to log back in easily. So I just tap on yes because I have multiple accounts, and then go ahead and tap on log out. Now if I tap on it, I have to choose I am logged out from this account. Now I'm logged out. Now if you want to remove the account completely, you can go ahead and again tap on these three dots up here and then choose the option remove profile from this device. Now this will go ahead and remove the profile completely from this device. So that's how you log out of Facebook, by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.